gmail.com.
Next question is a proof. A question to be proved. Question number 13. The question is, D and E are points on sides CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC right angled at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Once again, D and E are points on sides CA and CB. D is a point on side CA. D is a point on side CA and E is a point on side CB. Right angle at Z means angle C is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove AE square plus BD square. AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. AB square plus DE square. Figure is not given in the question, so we have to draw the figure. Right triangle ABC, right angle at C. This is 90 degree. Angle C is 90 degree. Now D is a point on side CA. Here is a point D and E is a point on side CB. AE, join AE. AE, then BD, then AB and DE. DE, here we have to join DE. This is the figure. Now AE is the hypotenuse of right triangle ACE. AE is the hypotenuse of right triangle ACE. AE is the hypotenuse of right triangle AEC. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AE square is equal to AC square plus CE square. AC square plus CE square. Name it as equation number 1. Now BD is the hypotenuse of right triangle BCD. BD is the hypotenuse of right triangle BDC. Again by Pythagoras theorem. BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. BC square plus CD square. Name it as equation number 2. Now we are considering the large right triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, again by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that means AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Base square plus altitude square. AC square plus BC square. Name it as equation number 3. Now, we are adding equation 1 and 2. We will obtain the left hand side of the thing which we have to be proved. Adding equations 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. We are getting left side of equation number 1 is AE square plus left side of equation number 2 is BD square is equal to right side of equation number 1 is AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. BC square plus CD square. Now, we are going to consider the small right triangle CDE. Consider right triangle CDE. By here also we are applying Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, the hypotenuse here it is DE. Hypotenuse square means DE square is equal to base square, that is CD square, plus altitude square, which is equal to CE square. Name it as equation number 4. Now, AE square plus BD square is equal to, we are arranging and adjusting the terms of this equation, it will become AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. We are taking these two terms together, AC square plus BC square, then plus CE square plus CD square. Arranging the terms, we are getting AE square plus BD square is equal to AC square plus BC square. See equation number 3. AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. So, this bracket reduces to AB square, then plus. What is the value of CE square plus CD square? CE square plus CD square is equal to DE square. CE square plus CD square is equal to DE square. So, this bracket reduces to DE square, thus we are getting our answer which we have to be proved, that is AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. We are getting these two results from equations 3 and 4. From equations 3 and 4 we are obtaining this result. Hence we proved the thing. Hence, we proved that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus D square. It's a very good question. So, mark it as important and study very well by writing and writing. Okay.